Good day, everyone. Today, we shall be looking at order of magnitude. Now, what is order of magnitude? Um, the order of magnitude, the order of magnitude of a number is the power is the power of 10. Remember, I said the power of 10. The power of 10 closest to that number. The power of 10 closest to that number. So we use order of magnitude to know the size, how big a quantity is, or how small a quantity is. This is how it works. Like I said the order of magnitude of a number is the power of 10. Remember, I said the power of 10 closest to that number. Now I have a logic I use in this concept. Now, my logic is this: to get the order of magnitude accurately, I designed something like approximation 0.5 less than x less than or equal to 5. Now, look at this small analysis. Now, you must make sure that whenever you're asked to find, for example, now let me quickly tell you something. If you have a physical quantity like this, 3 times 10 to the power 2, when they ask you what is the order of magnitude, the order of magnitude of this physical quantity, like I said, is the power of 10 close to that number. The power of 10 here is what? 2. So the order of magnitude is 2. Now let's go back to my simple logic. I formulated this logic like an approximation that 0.5 less than x less than equal to 5, such that x times 10 raised to power n. Now, your x, whenever they ask you to find the order of magnitude of a physical quantity, make sure that your x, before you find the order, make sure that your x follow this inequality. Make sure your x follow this inequality. Your x must be in between inclusive 5 and must not be less than 0.5. Must not be outside this region, must be in between this region. Your x, provided your x is in between this inequality, then you can find your order of magnitude. Let's solve a question. Now, the question is, find the order of magnitude. Find the order of magnitude. Find the order of magnitude of the following. Now, the first question is this. Now, remember the inequality I gave you, 0.5 less than x less than or equal to 5. Your physical quantity must be in between this range before you can determine the order. Now, number 1, 3 times 10 raised to the power 2. 3 is in between this range, yes. So the order of magnitude here is 2. Now, number 2, 7.3 times 10 raised to the power 4. Now, when you check this down, this 7.3 is outside this inequality. So find a way to convert or to make 7.3 in between this inequality. 7.3 can be 0.73 times 10 raised to power, or hold on, 7.3, let's do like this. Hold on. So 7.3 is also the same thing as 0.73 times 10 to the power 1. So remember this 10 to the power 4 that was there before. So times 10 raised to the power 4. As you can see now, that 0.73 is now in between this range. Yeah. So therefore, at the end of the day, we have 0.73 times 10 to the power 5. So now we can now say the order of this physical quantity is 5. Let's see another question. Let's see another question. Let's see 24. How to find the order of magnitude of let's say 2.432 times 10 raised to the power 3. Remember the condition: 0.5 less than x less than or equal to 5. Now 2.43 is in between the range. Yes, the order of magnitude will be 3. Now 8.9371 times 10 to the power 4. What is the order of magnitude? 8.9 is outside its range. So let's find a way to be, so it can be 0.89371, right, multiplied by 10. So 10 to the power 1 multiplied by 10 to the power 4. At the end of the day, is 0.89 times 10 to the power 5. So in this case, the order of magnitude is 5. Let's see another one. What is the order of magnitude? What is the order of magnitude of 57? Let me leave you to quickly do it for a few seconds. Okay. Now, 57 is far away outside this region. So you know what to do. 57 can also be the same thing as 0.57 0.57 times 10 raised to the power 2. I think it's correct. 0.57 times 100. That's 57. So the order of magnitude of 57, the order of magnitude of 57 is 2. That's it. Yes, you got it right. Let's see another one. What is the order of magnitude of 99? 99 is also far away from this region. So 99 can be, 999 can be 0.999. It can also be 999 can also be 99.9, and it can also be 9.99. If it's 0.999, that's times 10 raised to the power, I think 3, times 10 raised to the power 3. It give us 999. Let me check it. 0.999 times 1000 will give us 999. If it's the second one, 99.9, I think times 100, no, times 10. 99.9 times 10. Yeah. 999 can be 99.9 times 10. And 9.99 times 10 will give us 9.99 times 100. Now this one will give us times 10 to the power 2. Now when you check 99.9 is outside our region. When you check 9.99 is outside the region. The only one in between the region that we can obey is this. So the order of 999 is 3. I believe it's clear, and the issue with order of magnitude has been settled with this small logic. See you in the next class.